Hello everyone, let's discuss the SQL like operator. SQL like operator is used with where clause and it is used to search for a specific pattern in a column. Syntax of SQL like operator is select column from table where column like pattern. So your pattern can be of any of these three patterns. So when you write any character, and then you will write the percent sign, this pattern will search for the value whose starting character is s. This pattern will finds the value whose last character is s, and this pattern will finds the value who has the AND character. Okay, let's do the practical. Show databases and use the employee database and show the tables. Okay, so select the employee table, select all records, so select all columns from employee and semicolon. We have 6 records. Let's search the name begin with T. Okay, so select all from employee where name like. So if I write character T, then I write the percentage sign, and you must give your pattern inside single quotation and MySQL, then after semicolon. So this pattern will search for the records of column name whose starting character is T. So there are only 2 names whose starting character is T. So you can change the column, find that designation whose starting character is I. So it will shows you the designations that starts with I character. You can change the column name. You can also change the pattern. Let's suppose if you want to change the pattern, find the designations whose starting value is A. So the designations whose starting is A, there are 3 designations. So you can also change the column department whose records start with A. There are 3 departments whose starting value is A. Okay, you can find other departments also, such as whose starting character is C. Then you will see that there are 2 departments, and you can change the pattern. Let's suppose find the designations whose last character is N. So it will search for the records whose last character is N. So you can see the department's last character is N. You can also find the names whose last character is N. For example, where name like last character is N, then you will find that there are only 2 names whose last character is N. This one has an N and this one has N. You can also find let's suppose Ali, and you will find the pattern in all the records of column name. Okay, so Ali, the pattern says that who has the Ali word inside the value of a column name. So there are only 2 records, 2 values are there in table whose value matches with our pattern Ali. Okay, so it returns the value, it returns the records. You can also change the departments also. Change the name of the column, department like let's say S. So you will see that I have mentioned that find the pattern inside the records and match the patterns, and return the records whose value matches with our pattern. So as you can see, there are three records inside the department whose values matches with our pattern. S is inside the English also, and S is inside the CS and here. So you can see that a like operator is working. And you can also change the column name from table designation. You will find that there is no pattern Ali inside the designation, as there are 6 designations. So you can change your pattern. Let's suppose find the pattern in IN characters and search for the records in the designation. So you will see that there are three records inside the designation which contains the IN characters. So it has been like operator shows the records whose value matches with our pattern. So if you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.